The incident in Tainan BGG trong exantindis XEVB extri chumayunchipigayo dientra. MP4 illustrates a severe vehicle lift failure caused by a loss of equilibrium. Improper centering during setup led to an uneven distribution of force across the lift arms as the center of gravity shifted. The sudden tipping suggests safety locks were disengaged or an arm slipped from its jack point, causing the weight to shift and the vehicle to slide off due to inertia. Within seconds, the vehicle fell, leaving personnel minimal time to react. To prevent this, technicians must perform a shake test at 6 inches high to confirm stability. Using redundant supports like jack stands and ensuring routine maintenance of hydraulic systems are vital. Employees must stay vigilant and avoid standing directly under heavy components. Shop safety relies on strict compliance with these technical protocols. The technical analysis of the video, MP4 reveals critical safety violations regarding ladder usage. The primary failure was the lack of equipment inspection, as the A-frame ladder's locking spreaders were either disengaged or faulty, causing it to lose stability under the worker's weight. Additionally, improper usage occurred by placing the ladder on a smooth warehouse floor in a high-traffic zone without a second person to secure the base. When the leg spread, gravitational torque caused the aluminum structure to buckle instantly. To prevent such incidents, workers must perform pre-use inspections, adhere to the 3-point contact rule, and ensure base assistance on slippery surfaces. Prioritizing safety standards and wearing protective gear are essential to avoid long-term health consequences. The structural failure in Nigigigizakium of the Chiixui Inkidi Egi Ngip Mayama Tivong Bao Trithok Verksoksong Tin Tuk Fabine Thux 24H. MP4 highlights critical technical risks, primarily involving unsafe material storage where heavy slabs were kept at unstable angles without dividers. This fragile arrangement triggered a massive domino effect, as the weight of the marble exceeded the rack's capacity. In narrow corridors, workers face extreme compression hazards with no avenue for escape from multi-ton objects. Flowed work procedures and an absence of specialized A-frame racks or lifting aids further contributed to this breach of safety standards. To prevent recurrence, management must upgrade infrastructure with independent dividers, enforce line-of-fire training, and ensure strict oversight of all slab handling operations. The structural failure in Instagram 1-2. MP4 highlights a critical formwork collapse caused by inadequate shoring for wet concrete and personnel weight. Loose structural connections and improperly secured joists triggered a progressive collapse as components slid out of position. Working near the leading edge without reinforcement further stressed the assembly's weakest point. A major safety violation was the lack of fall protection systems, as the worker lacked a harness at a significant height. Premature loading on unverified surfaces and the absence of guardrails point to a severe lack of site supervision. Preventive strategies must include engineering temporary surfaces with a 2-3x safety factor and mandatory fall protection for heights above 6 feet. This incident proves luck is no substitute for rigorous engineering standards.